Hello, welcome back to your favorite channel Learning Glory. Today's topic is numbers. हमने आपको नेचुरल नंबर और होल नंबर तो बता ही दिए हैं, तो अब चलते हैं इससे आगे. अब आते हैं इवन नंबर्स. Even numbers are the numbers which are completely divided by 2 or one's digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. अब आते हैं odd numbers. Odd numbers are cannot completely divided by 2 and one's digit is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Then cardinal numbers. Cardinal numbers are counting numbers. Example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and infinitive. Then ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are the numbers which denotes order. Example first, second, third and infinitive. I hope you understand these numbers. Then you just like, share and subscribe this video. See you again. Bye bye.